Basketball looks simple. Put the ball in the hoop. But behind every dunk, every three-pointer, and every buzzer beater, there's strategy, spacing, timing, and discipline. In the next 5 minutes, you'll understand the rules of basketball and how smart teams actually win games. Basketball is played with 2 teams of 5 players. The objective? Score more points than your opponent before time runs out. Points are scored by making 2-point shots from inside the 3-point line, 3-point shots from beyond the arc, or 1-point free throws. In the National Basketball Association, games are played in 4 12-minute quarters. Remember, efficiency wins games. Each player has a role. The point guard is the floor general, who controls the tempo. The shooting guard is often a strong scorer. The small forward is a versatile scorer and defender. The power forward is a physical inside presence. And the center protects the rim and rebounds. Modern basketball is becoming more positionless, but these roles still matter. The key is to know your role. Now for the core rules. Players must dribble the ball while moving. If you take too many steps without dribbling, it's a violation called traveling. If you stop dribbling and then start again, that's a double dribble. Both of these are turnovers, which give the ball to the other team. Ball control equals control of the game. In the NBA, teams have 24 seconds to attempt a shot. If they don't hit the rim before that time expires, possession switches to the other team. The shot clock keeps the game fast and forces teams to make smart decisions, quickly. Basketball is a physical game, but it has to be controlled. Personal fouls include illegal contact, like holding, pushing, or hitting an opponent. If a player is fouled while shooting, they get to shoot free throws. In the NBA, a player fouls out of the game after committing 6 personal fouls. The lesson here is to play aggressive, but play smart. Let's talk offense. Good offense starts with spacing. Players spread out across the floor to create driving lanes for themselves and open shots for their teammates. If everyone crowds the paint, scoring becomes extremely difficult. You have to create space to create points. One of the most powerful plays in basketball is the pick and roll. It's simple but effective. A player sets a screen to block a defender, creating an advantage for the ball handler. The ball handler can then use that screen to drive to the basket or pull up for a shot. The player who set the screen then rolls toward the basket, creating another option. This simple action forces defenders to make a quick choice, and often, it creates an open shot for someone. Championship teams move the ball. Quick, crisp passes shift the defense and lead to open looks. Playing 1-on-1, or isolation, can work sometimes, but teamwork is what wins in the long run. Always be willing to pass up a good shot for a great shot. Trust the extra pass. On the other side of the ball, let's look at defense. In man-to-man defense, each player is responsible for guarding one specific opponent. This strategy demands constant communication, high effort, and great awareness. If just one player misses their assignment, the entire defense can break down. Defense is all about accountability. Another common strategy is zone defense. Instead of guarding a specific player, each defender is responsible for guarding a certain area of the court. A popular example is the 2-3 zone, which clogs the paint and forces the offense to take outside shots. Smart teams will often switch between man-to-man and zone defenses to keep their opponents confused. On defense, you either adapt or you get exposed. Finally, let's talk about winning basketball IQ. Rebounding is crucial. Grabbing a defensive rebound ends the opponent's possession, while an offensive rebound creates an extra scoring chance for your team. Championship teams dominate the glass because they understand that effort shows up in the rebound numbers. Second chances win games. Late in games, strategy shifts entirely. This is where clock management becomes critical. Teams with a lead will slow the game down to protect it, while teams that are behind will try to score quickly. Knowing the time, the score, and the situation separates good players from great ones. It all comes down to situational awareness. So, basketball isn't just about athleticism. It's about discipline, spacing, communication, and making smart decisions under pressure. Master the rules, understand the strategy, and you'll see the game in a whole new way every time you watch it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe for more sports analysis and basketball IQ content. Thanks for watching.